Friends, in this video we have included 30 numbers very important GK question and answers about Assam literature. We hope this video will be very helpful for you. Who was the first secretary of Assam Sahityya? Answer: Bharat Chandra Goswami. Who was the first Assamese who won Gyanpith Award? Answer: Dr. Virendra Kumar Bhattacharya. What was the first Assamese monthly magazine? Answer: Arunodaya. Who was the first Assamese lady who won Gyanpith Award? Answer: Mamoni Roysam Goswami. Who first printed Kirtan Gokha? Answer: Horivilas Agarwala. Who translated the drama Shakuntala from Sanskrit to Assamese? Answer: Lambodhar Bora. Who translated Mahabharata in Assamese? Answer: Ram Saraswati. What is the first Assamese daily newspaper? Answer: Doinik Batori. Who is the writer of the book Pavitra Akhon? Answer: Dr. Moheshwar Neog. In which year the first Assamese magazine Arunodaya was published? Answer: in the year of 1846. In which magazine the state anthem O Mor Apunar Desh was first published? Answer: Bahi. What is the name of first Assamese novel? Answer: Hanumati. Who was the first president of Assam Sahityya? Answer: Padmanath Gohai Borua. Who is the writer of Assamese novel Mamore Dhora Torwal? Answer: Mamoni Roysam Goswami. Who is the first editor of Jonaki? Answer: Chandra Kumar Agarwala. Who is known as Biyogi Kobi? Answer: Raghunath Chaudhary. What is the first Assamese romantic poem? Answer: Bonkumori. In which year the Assam Sahityya was first founded? Answer: in the year of 1917. Where the first conference of Assam Sahityya was held? Answer: in Shivsagar. In which year Lakshminath Bezbarua was honored with Rakharaj by Assam Sahityya? Answer: in 1931. Which language was used by Srimanta Shankardev to write Bargits? Answer: Brajavali. Who was the author of the book India Against Itself? Answer: Dr. Sanjeev Barua. Who is also known as Bakul Banor Kobi? Answer: Ananda Chandra Barua. Who is also known as Giti Kobi of Assam? Answer: Parvati Prasad Barua. who was the founder editor of Assamese magazine Prantik? Answer Bhavendranath Soikia. Who was the writer of the novel Halodia Soraye Baudhan Khai? Answer Homen Borgohain. In which year Dr. Bhupen Hazarika was elected the President of Assam Sahitya Sabha? Answer in the year of 1993. In which year the first Assamese novel Mirijiori was published? Answer in the year of 1894. Who was the second president of Assam Sahitya Sabha? Answer Chandradhar Borua. Who was the writer of the Assamese poetry book Bonful? Answer Jotindranath Duara.